This isn't done yet. This isn't finished. There's going to be more stuff here shortly. Hello, my name is Hannah. I am the store manager here at Lick's very first physical retail location on Northcote Road. And welcome to our store. Actually, can I say welcome to Store 01? Is that better? Welcome to Store 01. Wow, the store has gone through an unbelievable transformation from kind of an all-white, very clinical box-shaped room, and now it's got these beautiful warm wood tones, it's got these beautiful curves. It's changed so much in not just like its structure, but its mood and the way that you feel when you're here, definitely. This is kind of the first shelving unit that you see when you walk in the space. You can see our very, very iconic tins. The star of the show are these shelves here. So these are going to store all of our paint samples. Here we've got color boards, color stories, so you'll see 6 kind of main colors that are kind of like our best sellers. And then you can also explore our entire color collection here as well. All of our white, grays on these shelves, all in chronological order, and you can sift through the samples. You can see every color that we offer, and there's kind of room for that exploration in these drawers. Here we've got another color board, some of the more mid-tone bestsellers, and then more shelves to explore as well. So we've got all of our pinks, reds, browns here, and blues, greens, and blacks here. Over here you can see our toolkit display. This display is really tactile, so we do invite our decorators to come and touch and enjoy our tools and just have some fun. We also have samples here of all the materials that go into the manufacturing of our tools. So all of our handles are made of bamboo, sugarcane for our paint trays, and all recycled steel for the tools as well. One of the most exciting experiences in the store will be the mood boarding with our samples. We have all of our mood boarding supplies in the drawers around this table, so we do invite our customers to explore these spaces and have fun with building a mood board. And down here you can find all of our wallpapers. It's a very kind of like realistic representation of a sample, and you can kind of imagine it in a space a lot easier than the small samples. And you can browse through them as well. It's kind of a fun experience. So nice. So last week we just stocked up the store, but to do that we had to stock in 2,000 tins of paint. An incredible achievement. We had our office team come down, offer a few extra hands. We had our co-founders, and we made a, what's that called, a chain? We made a people chain, and we had everyone load in those 2,000 tins. So when you come buy a tin from us in the next few weeks, you'll receive a tin that the entire Lick team has touched and, you know, put in that stock room. It was a lot of work. Is that okay? Is that funny? I don't know. You can edit it out if you need to.